Best strategy for block blast. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So in today's video, I'll share the best tips and strategies for block blast to help you improve your game. First of all, you need to think ahead. Always check the upcoming blocks and plan where to place them. This helps you to avoid last minute panic and mistakes. After that, you need to keep the board balanced. Try not to stack too many blocks on one side. A balanced board gives you more option and prevents trouble later. You need to maximize combos. Aim to clear multiple lines at once for higher points and more space. Look for a chain reaction. Clearing one line might trigger more clears, boosting your scores significantly. Avoid gaps. Gaps can limit your options, so focus on filling them quickly. Use small blocks to fill gaps and save space for larger ones. After that, you need to practice regularly. The more you play, the better you will get. So, add spotting patterns and making quick decisions. Stay calm, especially as the game speeds up. Panicking leads to mistake. Once done, you can easily be champion on Block Blast. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.